everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Debbie and it's nice to meet you, and today I have a special guest with me,
Anna!
So Anna is going to be following one of my videos, and so she's picked it herself and she picked my blue and purple colourful cut crease. So a 7-year-old is wanting to do a cut crease.
You're the one who did it.
It's hard.
I know.
Anyway, so she's going to watch my video and we'll pause it and
do it. Oh my face.
No, it's on your face.
No, yours.
No, yours. You're copying it and putting it on your face.
How will I be able to do that?
Well, that's the challenge.
I'm
just going around my eyebrows, just gently filling them in.
Oh my god. I look like you're ready.
Tell them something about yourself that nobody else knows.
My birthday's on Halloween.
And
And if you don't know, I live in Ireland. Comment down below if you do. And
your eyebrows looking a little big. Yeah. Big.
Bigfoot.
Big brow.
Okay. Okay, done.
Done?
And I'm just going to carve out
next bit.
my eyebrows there, and then next bit all around the rest of my eye.
What was your favourite holiday?
If you didn't know this, I've went on 3 holidays. So, 1, Disneyland, 2, Italy, 3, Blackpool.
Is that your concentrating face?
Yeah.
Oh, that looks good.
Whoa, that does! Yep, there we go.
So, pat it. No, with your brush.
At the back.
Just pat it.
Right at the edge of the eye on the outer corner, I'm going to just put that purple.
So what's your favourite thing to do?
Hold on, I need to ask what holiday. I liked Italy. It was nice and warm and we got to go like up that little hill.
Okay, so Italy was your favourite?
What's my favourite thing to do?
Yeah, what's your favourite thing to do?
Oh, that's hard.
Do during the week with me? And what's your favourite thing to do during the week with weekend with Daddy?
Oh,
Okay.
Daddy's is easy. Mummy's is hard. Because I do everything. I think play with each other because it's fun. Oh, on Friday with Nanny, guess where we go every single Friday?
Where?
Our cousin's Jessica's. That's my favourite thing.
Favourite
Favourite thing.
Just
the inner corner.
circular motions.
Well, that is nice. Nice. Nice.
Anna likes blue, don't you? Yeah.
Pink. All the colours that are going on my eyes right now is my favourite.
So what is your favourite colour?
I have loads.
I know. She has loads.
Blue, purple, pink, yellow, orange, green,
2,000 years later.
and silver.
Told you a lot of favourite colours. What did you touch?
Here. Oh no, my finger!
I'm not even doing the makeup and there's baby wipes in this video.
I know.
What's your favourite song?
Granny's favourite song.
What? My baby love, I need you. Oh, how I need you. Green.
And just blend out the top of that blue colour.
Okay, green.
And who's your best friends?
Oh. Can I tell you all of them?
Yeah.
Kelly, Anna, Haven, Glenna, Amy, Holly.
3 hours later.
Can you move it along? I'm all out of time cards.
Is that every single girl in your class? Sounds like it. Sounds like it.
What other question?
Who's your boyfriend?
Mm.
You're not answering that one?
I just did green, and now I'll be watching the rest.
Blend the pink and the green in together.
What's your least favourite food? So what do you not like?
Easy, easy. Cheeseburger, cheese, broccoli, carrots.
Don't like nuts at all.
Definitely not. Nuts, nuts, nuts. No, 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 no.
I
no,
love nuts.
No.
I love them.
Nuts.
It's so good because Anna doesn't like them. So
You're
anything,
just trying to
No.
make me eat them.
no, anything that I like that I don't want to share
It's nuts.
is nuts. And it's good because Anna doesn't like them, so I don't want to share them.
Yay.
Purple, purple, and the pink.
And then the pink.
Purple and pink.
That pink. That purple.
That purple, that pink.
There we go. And a crepe.
And bring it up.
What do you want to be whenever you grow up?
Oh. I said this in school of hairdresser.
Hairdresser. That's good because I know nothing about hair at all. So it'll be handy to have a hairdresser in the family. You're scared? Everybody feels like I do an eyeliner.
Really?
Yeah. All the time. Foundation.
I'm not like that one though. Oh my god, that's cold!
You're only allowed it on for this one video.
What about if there's one's another video that I have to do?
Nope. It's just because you're following my makeup video and that's why. You don't need makeup anyway.
I'm cool, I love it.
You'll love it.
Ooh.
I should do that in my videos. Whoop, whoop. We're skipping the contour because she's 7.
Not 17.
And just patting that into place.
Yeah. Giving yourself cheekbones, even though you already have them. Right, a little bit of blusher
Okay. What
on
one?
your cheeks.
This one?
Yeah, anyone. Just a tiny bit, that's enough. It's way more than enough. You were doing so well there, Anna, until the blusher bit. And then taking the Freedom Pro Melts in the shade Naked and just filling that in. I was just about to say that. What did you tell the camera what you just said?
I look like I have a mustache. Look. I saw that.
So you were like a second ago?
I love this side.
I love that side. This is Anna's finished look following one of my videos.
I still look like I have a mustache.
I'm
Yeah.
not gonna lie, you do look like you have a mustache right now. You're like a chocolate mustache whenever you're having the chocolate milkshake.
Yeah, when you're having like hot chocolate and it gets like all over.
Yeah, you lift the cup down and then boom, there you go.
Yeah, you drink it and then it comes out and then like it comes up here. That's what happened to me today. And I drank it and then like it went all over my face and I was like, whoops.
So that is us done with this video. I hope you have enjoyed it, and if you have, then please subscribe and comment down below if you feel like Anna should do more looks.
Yes, yes, yes.
And
Yes,
also
yes.
give this video a like and subscribe
Yep.
to my
I
channel.
need to say something. See, like X Factor, like 4 yeses or something. Well, I do 10 yeses.
10 yeses and then you'll do another video.
Mhm.
Okay, so comment down below yes, and if she gets 10, she'll do another video.
No, 5.
She just said 10.
5.
Okay, we'll knock it down to 5. She gets 5 likes. No, not 5 likes.
5.
She gets 5 comments saying yes or 5 likes,
5.
then she will do another video.
5. 5.
Right.
5.
5.
5.
5. And you can comment down below which kind of video you'd like her to do, and she'll
Do it.
do it. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye, Felicia's.
Bye. Close your eyes and show them stuff.
Look what I done. Anyways, I'm gonna pose for you.